As the well-known analyst Ming-Chi Kuo assured, Apple will release the new budget employee in 2020. According to Phone Arena, Ming-Chi Kuo has provided new information about the iPhone SE2. The analyst explains that the company will release this smartphone because it is cost-effective for it. This will allow Apple to increase smartphone sales by 10% at once. In total, Apple should sell about 8 million iPhone SE2 by the end of 2020. The company will bet on owners of the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, who have not received an update to the iOS 13 operating system, so they will need to update the device. Kuo also suggests that the demand for the new line of iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max exceeds expectations. Apple should sell 40 million of these models. What is known about the iPhone SE2? As analysts previously reported, the new budget employee will resemble the iPhone 8. In particular, it will receive a screen with wide frames and a proprietary home button with a built-in Touch ID fingerprint scanner. He should also get a proprietary Apple A13 processor and 3 GB of RAM.